Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 11 computer, or perhaps even Windows 10, and you're getting these pop-ups that say system requirements not met. So I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve this issue. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in regedit, regedit. Best match to come back to registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. So in order to create a backup, all you have to do is select file and then export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you'd have to do is select File and then Import, and then navigate to the file location. So again, pretty straightforward process. And now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start off by double clicking on the HK current user folder. And now you want to double click on the control panel folder. Locate an unsupported hardware notification cache folder in here. If you don't see one, you may have to create it. So you just would right click on the control panel folder, select new and then key, and then you would name it unsupported hardware notification cache, as you see on my screen. So again, you would just type in exactly how you see it. So again, unsupported hardware notification cache. If you already have one, you don't have to worry about it. But if you do, you just would left click on it one time. And then on the right side, there should be a value in here that says SV2. If you don't see one or you had to create this folder from scratch, you're going to have to create this value. So you'd right click in a blank area, select new, and then DWORD 32-bit value. Name it SV2, capital S and then V, and then the number 2. Everything's capital and then the number 2 numerical. So go ahead and just double click on this value. And you want to set the value data to 0, so delete any other numbers in here. Base should be hexadecimal. Value data, set it to 0. Don't spell it out, just type in the number 0 and select OK. And then once you're done with that, you will need to go ahead and actually restart your computer for the changes to take effect. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was able to help resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.